How to create AI generated presentation in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva web app. So let me take one blank page. So just take the presentation blank page. Okay, so we have the one blank page here. So how you can create the AI generated presentation? This is simple process. We need to go in design, and you have to write your prompt. Okay, so what you need? I need 10 slide about Canva learn beginner Canva course, learn Canva for beginner. Okay, I need a slide about learn Canva for beginner. Now you can also add some what type of design or color, or soft color, or whatever you can tab here. Okay, after done, you just click on it and go to the generate design. Now the Canva will take few seconds to generate your prompt designed. So we need to wait. Yeah, this design has been created. Now click on it. Now you can see the all design page in grid view. Now you can apply all pages, or you can select one by one. Okay, so I apply all pages here. So you can see all pages has been applied. If you want, you can also generate more pages here, and you can apply as the same. Now you can edit your AI generated presentation. You can also add images, delete images, whatever you want you can write or something. Okay, you can edit as per your requirement. Okay, you can add text. If you want to add more text, you can add here. Okay, you can also add image. You have to just upload the new image from your computer here, or you can put that image. You have to just upload the image, then image will be, you can select on this option, then you need to put the image on the presentation, or you can simply search images from here like tiger image. You can see the photos, graphic, whatever you want, you can see. Okay, so you can edit your AI generated presentation like this. After you done, now go to the share and download as a PDF standard, or many more option, file option you will have here, and just download it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.